welcome back to Cool Mom's Kitchen Ideas. So today we're going to be doing breakfast taquitos. They're pretty easy. So I had a live video chat. Well, not a live video chat, but I did a live video where you do taquitos. So I felt a little bad because I didn't think they came out that well for you to see. So I figured I'll just do a video and show y'all how I do my taquitos. So with that being said, let's get started. Looks so good. Okay, everybody, so I'm going to be taking the breakfast flautas, kind of like a remix off of my live video chat. That didn't come through that good, I think. But, you know, if you watched it, thank you and kudos and shout out to you. So what I'm going to do today is use some of my eggs. Oops, I have a few of them already cracked open. But, and flautas, and yeah, I'll just show you how to put it together. It's super easy. Here we go. Okay, so what I did, I put 4 eggs in the bowl. I'm going to scramble them up, put them in the skillet here really soon. I might, no, I am. I'm going to put some salt and pepper in there. And yeah, so I'll meet you back at the skillet. Okay, so I went ahead and poured my eggs in the skillet. You just want to cook your eggs separately like you normally do. Nothing special. I'm going to add some salt and pepper in there. And that is if I can find my salt and pepper. It seems to be MIA, but that's okay. I'm going to rub in some good old original Creole, or Tony's Creole. So I'm going to put just a little bit of that in there. Okay, that was maybe too much, but it's going to make them taste really good. And I'm going to put some cheese in there, and yeah. So I'll be back and show you after my eggs are scrambled what we're going to do. Okay, so now my eggs are done. I'm going to take my flautas and put them in a bowl and put them in the refrigerator. I mean, not refrigerator, the microwave. And warm them up for about 30 seconds. I think I'm going to put about 6 in there. I think that's all I have left. So, in the meantime, while that's in the microwave, you want to do this. You want to get your skillet heated up, and then you want to add in some oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You really don't need that much oil, just a little bit, just enough to cover the bottom of the skillet. That's really enough. That's probably a little too much, but it's enough to do these. So let me show you how to wrap these tortillas after my tortillas warm up in the microwave, and then I'll be back. Quick note, you want to use saran wrap to cover up your tortillas so they don't be hard. When they're in the microwave, it helps keep the moisture in there and for them to stay soft so that you don't have any tortillas or taquitos tearing up on you when you're trying to fry them. Alright, so I'll be back. Okay, so I forgot to tell you this at the beginning, which is very important. I don't know what happened, I had a brain fart. But you're going to need cornstarch, and you're going to put some water in the bowl with the cornstarch, just enough to kind of make it into like a little paste. It's really good to warm the water up. I'm just going to tackle in maybe about a tablespoon or 2 in there. And then I'm going to get some warm water out of the sink, mix it up, or you could put warm water in the microwave and put it in whichever way you like. So I'll be back and I'll show you how to wrap these corn tortillas. Okay, so we're back. I have my corn tortillas, and I have my little mixture here, my little paste, cornstarch and water, and I'm actually going to add cheese into my corn tortillas along with my eggs. I have my oil going, so we're ready to go. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, you're going to take out this soft one. Make sure you cover these back up when you take one out so that you keep the moisture in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get some of my eggs and put them in there like that. I'm going to take some of my cheese out and leave it there. But you're really not going to need too much because you can't fit too much in these little boys. Put some cheese on here, and then I'm going to take a little bit on my spoon, paste it on the edge here. Set it down and roll it like that, and just kind of sit it over in the corner. That's really it. So after you get these rolled up, then you want to get them to your skillet and put them in there, and then you're pretty much ready to rock and roll. You can put whatever you want inside these. Onions,
oh yeah, that sounds good, girl.
Into a dinner, whatever you like. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Fun thing to do. I mean, for a box of these at the frozen section. I think it's like $6 or $7, but you can have some homemade. So you know what.
Dang, girl, that's a lot of money.
All right, I'll show you how to put these in the fryer in just a moment, and I will be back. Okay, so we're back. So now my grease is all warmed up. My flautas are all rolled up and pretty in my bowl, ready to go in. If I didn't tell you this, when you roll them up, lay them flat on the belly where they're folded at so they can kind of stick. This one's kind of broken a little bit, I see. So I'm actually going to fry this one first since it's broken, because when you fry it, once you lay it in the grease, it actually sticks together a lot better. So that's the point of me sticking them in on their belly. Ooh, that was a little hot. Just stick them in like that. And just kind of get your heat kind of low so they don't burn or turn too dark. You just want them to get crispy. And that's really it for the most part. Alright, so I'll show you what they look like when they're done. And then they'll be done. See you here in a bit. Alright, as you can see, they've been in there for a while. I rolled them over. They only need to be in there cooking for about maybe a minute on each side if you got your temperature on a pretty medium-low setting, as long as your grease is really warm. So as long as they're pretty golden brown like that, that's about it. You'll be good to go. Alright, so thank you again for watching. I hope you like this video. You can like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, hopefully this helps a lot better for my live video that I did a few days ago. I actually use ground beef. Like I said, you can use whatever you like in the middle, but I'm doing these for breakfast, so yep. Alright, so thank you again. Have a great day.